welcome to the next day of Vlogmas. Yes, I'm wearing the exact same thing I was wearing last night to dinner. I just didn't feel like thinking about it this morning, so I had to get up super early, so I just decided to throw the same thing on. Okay, so if you are my friend and think you may be part of my wedding party, stop watching right here because I don't want to ruin this surprise, but everything was going really well when I was making these little bridesmaids boxes, and now I just hit a wall and I'm just kind of like, what? So I'm making these super cute little, I don't know, there's like these little boxes. I got these from Hobby Lobby, putting some pink tissue in here, and then it says, will you be my bridesmaid? Will you be my maid of honor? And then sorry guys, I'm getting a cold. I put some champagne and then these little ornaments that are like little diamonds. So I thought that was really cute. So everything was going great. I was like, perfect, I only have a couple more to do. And then I pulled out, so these are the stickers. So these, I got these at Home Goods, or no, Marshall's. They were $2.99 for a pack of them. There's supposed to be 8 bridesmaids labels, 1 maid of honor, and 1 matron of honor. Will you be my maid of honor? Will you be my maid of honor? Maid of honor, 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 maid of honor. I'm so upset. This was looking so cute and I need more bridesmaids ones. And I got them from Marshall's and I didn't see any other ones there. I'm so upset. And this was like literally perfect. So I'm just feeling a little upset because I want it to look pretty. Oh well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyway, today was a fun day. I went to a cookie exchange for one of my coworkers at her house, and it was very fun. It was early this morning though. She does it every year, and it starts at 9 a.m. and it's like 40 minutes away. So I had to get up super early. I had to leave my house around 8:15 or so, and then I did some shopping. I was like shopping for those little bridesmaids things. I have no idea when my wedding is going to be, by the way. I just like, I'm so excited and I know who I want to be in the wedding party, so I just really wanted to make the little thing for them. That way they just know that I want them to be part of the big day. So I'm so bummed about that. Those are so cute and I don't want anyone to not get a cute one. I'm so upset. I'll have to just find something else. That's such a bummer. That's probably why, maybe that's why it was at Marshall's. It was like a defect. Anyway, there's not much going on. Rosie's down here barking. Steven and I are going to his holiday party tonight for work. And we got some toys. I picked up some toys for the Toys for Tot drive. So hopefully this is like an in present. I got this like Disney little doll that I thought was really cute, and then I got this like little foosball table. I tried to get a girl gift and a boy gift, so yeah, cute little gifts. It is about 4 o'clock or so, so Steven should be here probably in the next hour. I think next hour, hour and a half. He picked up the dog food for me. It was so sweet. He picked up the dog food for me because I went over to Petco to pick up more of the canned food that the girls like. Ever since they had like their little stomach issue, they really like this canned food that's like really expensive and disgusting looking, but they really like it. So I went to PetSmart because I saw that on their website that they have it. Hang on one second. I'll just hold her. I saw that they have it, and then I get there and I get to the checkout, everything's going fine, and then as soon as they scan it, they asked if I had a prescription for it. So you actually need a prescription for certain types of dog food. That I didn't know. So Steven was golfing this morning, and the vet is closer to where he's golfing, so he, on the way home, was going to pick up some dog food for them at the vet for me. So that was very nice, because otherwise I would have had to drive to the other side of town. It just would have been a lot. So we're waiting on him so that the girls can eat dinner, right? I know you're hungry, right? Is it time for dinner? I don't want to say EAT because otherwise they'll get all upset. But I haven't eaten much today. I'm actually really hungry. I know at the holiday party they're gonna have like heavy appetizers. I don't think it's like a sit-down meal or anything like that. It's just like heavy apps. So I don't want to eat too much because I know I'll be tempted to eat there, and then I don't want to feel like I ate like 2 dinners, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna change. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear. When I fell yesterday, it really put a wrench in my outfit plans for today. I was supposed to wear this really cute sweater dress with little booties, but now that both of my knees are busted up, I just don't want to wear that anymore. And it is a little bit chilly out. I mean, the party's inside, obviously, but so now I'm actually thinking maybe I could wear this and then put on my Spanx leather leggings and booties. That might be cute. I also have a red sweater that looks festive. I don't know, we'll see. So anyways, that's kind of all I have to report for today. I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. I'm gonna hop on my phone and do some research and see if I can find those exact stickers online. I guarantee they'll be like quadruple the price, but that's totally okay. I just really want those stickers. I'm so upset about that. Like, what the heck? All right, I'm going to research that and I'll let you know if I'm able to get them or something very, very similar. Hey guys, so it is about an hour or so later. I looked on Amazon and they have some stickers very similar to the ones that I had on the boxes. Actually, no, they're not like super similar, but they have the same effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and order those. I'm a little upset that they're all not matching because like the OCD in me like wants a picture of like all of them matching. That way I can like post it and like, not post it, I just like want a picture of like all of them matching, but that's okay. At least 2 of them, at least it'll be 2 and 2. So that's okay. So I'm gonna order that. Excuse me. I really feel like I'm getting sick, which kind of stinks. And it's like 10 after 6 right now, and the party starts at 6:30, so clearly we're gonna be late, and I still haven't changed. I'm still in yoga pants. So I really need to figure out what I'm wearing. I need to touch up my makeup, because my makeup, whoa, holy moly. My makeup is from like 7 a.m., so I definitely need a little touch up. So I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Don't be surprised if I just keep this top on, and I might just like change to like leather leggings or something and some booties. So okay, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna wear. Also, I think I showed this to you guys. It doesn't look pretty right now because my Uggs, I wore my Uggs today, but I love how my shoes look up here now. It just makes me happy. So, oh, I just heard Steven. I think he's here. So here's what I'm wearing. I decided to wear the same, sorry the lighting isn't great, I'm wearing the same vest. This is from Banana Republic. My sweater, you really can't see. I wish I could show you, but it's just dark in here. Maybe you could see better in here. So my vest is from Banana Republic. This sweater is from Target. It's cute. It has like a little lace detail at the bottom, if you can see that. And then I have my Spanx leggings on. I love these. I know that they're expensive. Wait till you can get them on sale at like the Nordstrom sale, or throughout the year sometimes I see them put them on sale. And then these are my leopard booties I got from Target for $35. So I like this outfit. I think it looks festive. I'm so tired. Steven actually is not here. He called to tell me that he's just running a little bit late. But the office party is like for 4 hours, so we're not worried about not having enough time. So he'll be here shortly, and then we're gonna go do that, come home. I know that I'm not gonna edit tonight, guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm so tired. I feel like I need to take like some type of like energy shot or something right now, because I could just fall asleep. I'm afraid to sit on the sofa and wait for him because I think I'll just fall asleep. But anyway, I think I'll actually just close out the vlog here. Sorry that it wasn't super interesting, but nonetheless, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Have a great night. Bye.